everyone, welcome back to our 30 days English speaking challenge. This is the day 18 and today we are going to learn sentences on my first day in the kitchen. Cooking is an important part of daily life and these practical sentences will help you talk about your cooking experience confidently in English. Repeat every sentence after me and practice speaking aloud. Let's begin today's lesson. Today was my first day in the kitchen. Today was my first day in the kitchen. I was excited to cook. I was excited to cook. My mother taught me how to cook. My mother taught me how to cook. I washed the vegetables carefully. I washed the vegetables carefully. I cut the onions and tomatoes. I cut the onions and tomatoes. I learned how to make tea. I learned how to make tea. The kitchen was very clean. The kitchen was very clean. I wore an apron before cooking. I wore an apron before cooking. I followed the recipe carefully. I followed the recipe carefully. I turned on the gas stove. I turned on the gas stove. I added some oil to the pan. I added some oil to the pan. I cooked my first meal today. I cooked my first meal today. The food smelled delicious. The food smelled delicious. I made a few mistakes. I made a few mistakes. Cooking is not as easy as it looks. Cooking is not as easy as it looks. I learned something new today. I learned something new today. My family liked the food. My family liked the food. Everyone appreciated my effort. Everyone appreciated my effort. I felt proud of myself. I felt proud of myself. Cooking requires patience. Cooking requires patience. I enjoyed working in the kitchen. I enjoyed working in the kitchen. I prepared breakfast for my family. I prepared breakfast for my family. I learned how to use kitchen tools. I learned how to use kitchen tools. I cleaned the kitchen after cooking. I cleaned the kitchen after cooking. Practice makes cooking easier. Practice makes cooking easier. I want to become a better cook. I want to become a better cook. Cooking is an important life skill. Cooking is an important life skill. I learned how to make chapati. I learned how to make chapati. The food was tasty and healthy. The food was tasty and healthy. I helped my mother in the kitchen. 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 I was nervous at first. I was nervous at first. Gradually, I become confident. Gradually, I become confident. Cooking can be fun. Cooking can be fun. I learned the importance of hygiene. I learned the importance of hygiene. Fresh ingredients make food delicious. Fresh ingredients make food delicious. I want to learn more recipes. I want to learn more recipes. My first experience was memorable. My first experience was memorable. Everyone encouraged me. Everyone encouraged me. I will practice cooking every week. I will practice cooking every week. It was a wonderful day in the kitchen. It was a wonderful day in the kitchen. Today you learned useful English sentences about my first day in the kitchen. Try to use these sentences while talking about cooking and daily activities. Remember, every new skill starts with a first step. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep improving your English every day. See you in the day 19 of our 30 days English speaking challenge. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.